Welcome to a journey that transforms your career as a logistics engineer. Imagine predicting disruptions before they occur, optimizing routes on command, and automating complex tasks with the power of AI. With our AI for Logistics Engineers courses at Complete AI Training, you step into a future where technology handles the heavy lifting, freeing up your time for strategic decisions. This program is not merely about catching up, but about seizing the tools that keep you indispensable in a field that demands precision and rapid adaptation. Our video courses break down complex AI concepts into clear, actionable lessons so you can learn at your own pace. For those who appreciate a more hands-on approach, our prompt courses teach you how to communicate effectively with AI, turning everyday challenges into opportunities for innovation. If you prefer to dive deep into the nuances, our eBooks and guides provide comprehensive insights on integrating AI into logistics, while our audiobooks let you advance your skills on the go. Every course comes with certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With content updated monthly, you are always in sync with the latest advancements. Embracing AI now means securing a future where your skills remain cutting edge and your career path is perpetually enriched. Explore the full range of AI for Logistics Engineers training courses by visiting CompleteAItraining.com and take the first step toward a career built on innovation and lasting success.